How to verify your Trading 212 account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to verify your Trading 212 account as a beginner, then first of all, launch open your Trading 212 app or website and sign into your account using your email and password. Once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on Set Up Your Account option at the top left. This one over here, and you'll be able to fill in some of your personal details. Select your nationality, enter your full name as stated on your ID document provided by your government. Write down your name and then your surname and tap next. Now enter your date of birth and click next. Enter your phone number on the next page and click next. Now select if you are a tax resident of more than one country or you are the US person and fill in the rest of the information. On the next page, enter your national passport number and click next. Follow through the on-screen instructions. You'll also need to upload your identity document. You can upload your national ID card, driver's license, and after completing it, you'll be able to submit your verification. Verifications usually takes a few minutes to 1 to 2 days. You'll get a notification once it's approved. If your documents are clear and matches your details, approval is usually smooth and fast. Once verified, you can fully enjoy trading, investing, and managing your portfolio without limits. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.